G sound story. Greta saves the garden. In a lush green garden, there lived a gentle goat named Greta. She loved munching on the delicious grapes. The garden was a paradise filled with golden grapes and glittering sunlight. Greta used to spend her days grazing on the juicy grapes, and the garden was a favorite place to be. However, one day, a gang of greedy grasshoppers invaded the garden. They gobbled up the grapes, leaving Greta without her beloved snacks. The garden was in great trouble, and Greta felt a great sense of grief. Greta, the clever goat, she knew that she had to find a way to solve this problem. She gathered the other animals in the garden, including a group of grinning gorillas and a wise goose, to brainstorm a solution. They all agreed that they needed to come up with a plan to keep the greedy grasshoppers away. The goose, with its great wisdom, proposed a brilliant idea. "Let's use the garden's natural resources to build a scarecrow," it suggested. "We can give it a giant grin to mimic Greta's face and stick some golden grapes all over it to look enticing." The animals set to work with great enthusiasm. They collected the straw, sticks, and of course, the grapes to build the scarecrow. With Greta's assistance, they created a giant grinning scarecrow. The scarecrow took its place, and Greta waited for the grasshoppers to arrive. When they saw the scarecrow with Greta's grin and the golden grapes, they got extremely scared. They quickly departed, leaving the garden in peace. The garden was saved, and Greta could once again graze on the delicious grapes. They became a symbol of great teamwork and their clever solution to the problem. From that day onwards, the garden was a place of great joy and contentment, where goats, gorilla, and goose lived in harmony, grateful for their brilliant idea. Goat, grapes, grasshopper, goose.